Hello, dear friends. Today I want to share with you a powerful secret of life. One sunny afternoon, little Aryan was sitting in the garden with his grandfather. The air was still, the flowers swayed gently, and a soft breeze carried the scent of jasmine. Aryan looked up and asked, "Grandpa, why do we have to work so hard? Sometimes I just want everything to happen fast." His grandfather smiled, not with pity, but with understanding. He stood up and walked into the house. When he returned, he held something in his hands, an old glass jar filled with pebbles, buttons, and fine sand. He placed it gently on the table. "This," he said, "is my magic jar." Aryan's eyes lit up. "Magic?" His grandfather nodded. "Watch carefully." He emptied the jar, then slowly poured in the pebbles first. These are the big important things in life, like your health, your family, and your dreams. Then he added the buttons. These are the fun things. Toys, games, laughter with friends. Finally, he poured in the sand. This is the small stuff, distractions, like television, or little worries that come and go. Everything fit perfectly. Then his grandfather asked, "But what happens if we start with the sand?" He emptied the jar and tried again. Sand first, then the buttons. And when he tried to add the pebbles, they no longer fit. Aryan's eyes widened. "So, if I fill my time with small things first, I won't have space for the big ones?" His grandfather nodded. "Exactly. That's the secret to a peaceful life. Start with what matters most." My dear friend, life is a jar, and each day, you get to decide what you fill it with. Too often we pour in the sand, meaningless arguments, endless scrolling, rushing without reason. And then we wonder why there's no space for peace, for love, for purpose. When I became a monk, I realized something. It's not time we lack, it's clarity. Each morning, ask yourself, what are my pebbles today? Protect them, honor them, and let everything else fall gently around them. Remember, the magic isn't in the jar, it's in how you choose to fill it. May your life be filled with the things that truly matter. And may your days be as calm and meaningful as that quiet afternoon in the garden. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Until next time, be present, be kind, and live with intention.